What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Hamb back at y'all with another vlog. I know it's been a minute since the last one. I know. This vlog is just gonna be catching up on what's been happening since the Jamaica trip, since the last time y'all seen me. Like I said, more coming on the way. New music coming on the way. We are working, even though I am delayed with a lot of stuff. We are working. So make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Because without them four things, I don't get paid. And if I don't get paid, somebody gotta die. But no, let's get into the video. You already know it's your boy Ham. Oh yeah.
Now it's like 4 something in the morning. You already know what that means. We about to board another flight. We popping out to Milwaukee to see the family. So tap in with me. Let's see how it go. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, share this. Let's get it. Okay. Right now in the car with my Uber driver.
Let's talk business. Boy, this fat bastard.
Yeah,
I told you I'm not
most disrespectful Lyft driver there is. Sir, can you turn this, like, why is you playing stuff when I'm trying to take me to where I need to go?
Maybe I'll listen to you.
Why are you playing?
Comes to town every Tuesday.
Yo, call me boy one more time.
Boy. Damn. Yeah.
I'm sorry for his racist comments, everyone. I don't know what's wrong with him. He's always been like that since the 60s. No, who'd you was born? 1939?
You took it down my face.
Unreal.
What's up, gang member?
Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, vlog? Welcome to Milwaukee.
It's not how she always look.
Get this damn phone.
Now we at the market getting some food for breakfast. Give y'all a little backstory. A couple years ago, we went to Atlanta to see a family member, and when my cousin, this one right here, pulled me up, they trolled me by playing the thong song by Cisco all loud, right? Everybody looking at me. I want y'all to know, today, right now, it's my gift. Get your hand on my pocket.
Assalamu alaikum.
Get your hand out of my pocket! Get your hand out of my pocket!
Yo, where you going? My God! Did you? Oh, all right. I had to catch you. What's up, kid? On my way to this Bucks game, you already know, but it's still Sixers all day.
Somebody smell like shit! Wait! Somebody smell like shit! No! Somebody smell like shit!
Man, so I really don't got no snake in the race. It's just Cavs versus Bucks. Hopefully, thing goes off. Nah, for it's Donovan Mitchell. I don't know what he's talking about, but we walking into this joint right now. It's been great spending time with family. Shador, you got busted up. But here we go.
How you feeling?
Feeling real good. city. It's a parade inside my city, yeah.
Let me see that again. I didn't get a good look at that.
Get the fuck out of here, little nigga. So it's about 2 minutes left. It's a close game. Who you think gonna win?
The Bucks.
KB, who winning? Who gonna win? Cavs.
Oh.
Fuck all that!
Send that bread, my nigga.
Girl, get up. Girl, get up.
I ain't never ran from a nigga and I damn sure ain't about to 50 days to start running. Get money. I ain't never ran from a nigga and I damn sure ain't about to 50 days to start running.
So if you're watching this right now, it's 2025, it's a new year. We're here right now with my brother. He gonna pop in the camera. We're getting ready for this year. Today, I'm behind the camera, so we're gonna see how this shit turn out. 2 sons, man. Proud dad.
Father here.
PJ look like one of them kids from Sister Act.
Happy day. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day.
So 2025.
That's how we coming.
Pause.
What did he say?
Why are you gay?
I mean, anyway, how y'all.
Yeah, you're not gonna get dressed. I'm dressed on my shit anyway.
Man,
Brother, where can they plug your
cameraman
plug
back
your stuff
in
in?
action, you feel me? surrealideal.ptg. Follow me on Instagram, email me, call me. If you need something done, I'm the man to call.
All right. I'll make sure not to put that in the video, but.
Well, I just got some heaters. Real rad. Oh! That's just one.
Here, celebrate my brother. CE Day. Ooh-wee. Gango. Why are you gay?
I got scenes on my. Come here, D. Come here, D. There's a one.
My dog.
Music is killing me. You said fuck yo, Bruno Mars.
My dog. Anise, say what's up. Say what's up, Anise.
It's the music. But what's up? Happy New Year. What's
What-
my phone?
But they can follow you at.
Follow you at what? What?
What's
I don't be on Instagram, but you can follow me at it.
I ain't buying it, no. Still ain't buying this.
This nigga irked. Look at him. Look at him, yo. He mad as shit. I love this nigga to death, but he mad as shit. He not trying to show his face.
I am having a very bad day. I am in no mood.
Tell him why you mad. He trying to hold it.
I'm not in the mood to play with anybody.
Leah here. Uh-huh. Yup, none. No babysitter. This nigga's still mad. Look at it. He trying to lick his lips. Nigga, your lips ain't dry. Your lips ain't dry, nigga. What the fuck you talking about?
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Okay.
How that's gonna benefit me.
You're the only one who's ever done that.
No bullshit. It's all love, all genuine.
Nigga, what? Just
Yo, he just said a bunch of bullshit.
It's a whole bunch of bullshit.
He said
a whole bunch of bullshit. It's not all genuine.
I'm looking at you, my brother, and I say this affectionately. You might be one of the dumbest folks on the planet Earth.
I'm missing a ring.
I got. Hold on, wait. You feel me? These niggas is lit. I'm sober. He's the drunk.
Are you?
I might be the drunk. I might be the drunk. For sure. Look, she's out there. She's okay. Wipe me down. What you want?
I need some of that. Maybe that liqueur.
We worried about you, man.
It's definitely the liqueur.
Do you need some money?
34 enough, that's what's up, nigga. We at the fucking bowl. Our game, bitch. For the second time, the Vince Lombardi Trophy is headed to Philadelphia. Eagles flag in Super Bowl 59.
Oh, it's the fucking birds. It's the fucking birds. It's the fucking birds. Oh, it's the fucking birds. It's the fucking birds.
When we go to the club, gotta block with a hole. Pull out a money, be
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She drunk.
Number fucking one. We beat the shit out of Patrick Mahomes. That's the fucking ring.
Fuck Andy Reid.
We
Fuck
did
Andy
it.
Reid. Fuck Andy Reid. Fuck as they told. Fuck Andy Reid. Fuck Andy Reid. Fuck them niggas. Fuck them. Do it again. Do it again. One more time. Fuck as they talking about. Bring it up. Fuck as they talking about. Say Sean! One more. Go.
Yeah. Make sure you say that's a two-time motherfucking.
Yeah.
Wait, let me get my ring fingers up. Hey, that's a ring for Brady and that's a ring for Mahomes. Two best QBs of all time, and we beat them. So
Yes,
fuck them
sir.
all. This hurts his world. We just living in it. Go Birds!
Yo, if you don't let a bird suck my dick.
on my way to the parade right now. You already know. It's the Eagles, man. Always Bird Gang, dickhead.
Bird Gang.
So, you know, with family.
I need that motherfucking dickhead shirt.
You feel me?
You already know what the fuck
here.
it is.
So let's go see it, man. Let's go celebrate the guys, celebrate their members for, you know, bringing it home. And right now the city lit. Like the crime rate definitely down right now. Like ain't no killing. You know, ain't nobody got time to kill when the Eagles is winning. That's what it's all about. So check in, man. We about to go ahead.
Wait a minute!
Hold up, you said, hold up. You wanted a live and direct John for the Birds?
Cracker 40
For the
when
Birds?
come up. Cracker 40 when the sun come up. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
Go Birds, man. Hey, crib. Yo, it ain't us. It ain't us. It ain't us. It ain't us. It is not us. Go Birds, Brody. Oh, he just stole him. He just stole him. Fuck is that, Reed Blanket shit, cousin? Oh. 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 We got a rumble. Yeah, that nigga. Whoa.
Yeah. They squabbling out in there. Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Hey, brother, it ain't us. It ain't the black holes. It ain't us. It ain't us. Sister, it ain't us. It ain't us. It ain't us. Hold on, Pete. This shit crazy. E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagles! Let's go!
We're down here? No. We're there. Cheers! Go fucking Birds! Oh yeah! I don't know. Come back!
Wrapping up and shit. You gonna do it again?
We can see shit.
To the people of Philadelphia, your love message.
Go! Eagles!
He said, what the hell are y'all